It's David from Site3D here, and I'm going to quickly show you Vortex flow controls in Site3D. So maybe I want to add a flow control to manhole S17 here. So what we're going to do is go to our drainage tools and go to the manhole properties and then select the actual manhole we want to add them to. And now on the right hand side here we have our list of flow controls that are already in this manhole, which in this case is empty, and I want to add a new one. So I'm going to hit add. And we can choose what type of flow control we want to add, whether it's a weir, an orifice, a generic vortex, an ACO Q-brake, a FP McCann StormBrake, a HydroBrake Optimum, or just a standard depth flow sort of manual flow control. So in here, I'm going to say ACO. I'm going to go in ACO Q-brake and add one in. And we've got the new window that shows what we're trying to put in here. So we can put in a design head of say 1 meter, a design flow of say 2 liters per second. And we can see what our information that is calculated from here. So we've got our response curve. We can see it going up and back out. And we've got some information. So body width, body depth, the minimum outlet diameter, minimum manhole diameter, everything like that. And we can say, OK, and it'll add it in. If we want to, we can actually edit that. And we can then choose a different one if we want to. So we've got this little drop down up here. You can click that one and change it to, say, a StormBrake. And it'll go and calculate the StormBrake for the same information, and you'll see the response curve for that one. And the same for a HydroBrake Optimum. So go through here and it'll actually then connect out to the Hydro International servers and will provide the information for us. This can sometimes take a few seconds, so we're going to let that complete. And now we have the response curve for the specific HydroBrake Optimum with the exact same information. We do have a couple of extra options available to us when it's a HydroBrake, or Hydro International one, because we can choose what the optimization is going to be for, whether its objective is upstream storage, minimizing upstream storage, or minimizing blockage risk, future-proofing, linear discharge. We can also tick whether we want a sump is available or not, but it'll give all the information back in here. And all we have to do then is click OK, and it'll update that. We can click OK, and now you can see we have a little box with a cross in it inside our manhole, which shows that we have a flow control added to manhole S17. That is now useful in the simulations. We can go through and hit the drainage analysis and hit the run storm simulation and run a storm. And then we have our results. If I just close that, we can scroll through where we have our HydroBrake Optimum added in here with the model number, with the design depth, design flow, and the flush flow and kick flow information. We also then have the response curve drawn on here, and we can scroll down and we can see the results in here where we got our that was manhole S17. So basically that'll be the very last pipe. So it'll be this one here, and it is limited to 1.912 liters per second in that particular storm, which is just under our 2 liters per second design flow rate. Thanks for watching.